Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us prepare the very famous South Indian Vada curry. For this, let us take 1 cup of chana dal, that is split chickpeas. Clean this and soak in water for at least 1 or 2 hours. This is ready. Let us transfer this into a mixie jar. To this, add a small piece of ginger, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, that is hing, the required amount of salt, and 1 or 2 dry chili. Grind this coarsely. I'm going to bake these vadas, and if you want to deep fry them, just grind it even more coarsely. If you're going to bake them, spread some oil in a baking tray. Take a small quantity and flatten it. Arrange them in a baking tray, and by this time preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. And I'm going to bake this for about 10 minutes each side. Take it out of the oven after 10 minutes, turn it and keep it inside for another 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Our vadas are ready. Cut the vadas into small pieces so that it will be easy for the vadas to absorb the masala. This is ready. Set this aside. Next we are going to prepare coconut milk. Take half a cup of coconut. To this, add half a cup of water and grind it finely. Now let us filter it and extract the coconut milk. So the vadas are ready, the coconut milk is also ready. Set this aside. Next, take a pan, pour some oil in it. To this, add a small piece of cinnamon, 1 cardamom and 2 or 3 cloves. Saute them for about a minute and add half a cup of chopped onions, half a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and a few curry leaves. Once the onions are translucent, you can add all the masalas: a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, and the required amount of salt. Saute them well. The raw smell has to go off. You can saute this for about 2 minutes, and once the raw smell goes off, you can add a cup of chopped tomatoes. We have to cook the tomatoes fine, so I'm going to close this and cook for about 2 minutes. Saute this well and add about half a cup of water. Now close it and cook till oil oozes out. This is perfect. The oil has oozed out. Now let us add the coconut milk. This has started boiling now, so allow it to boil for another 2 or 3 minutes. And now let us add the prepared masala. The vadas has to absorb this masala, so we have to allow this to cook for another 2 or 3 minutes. Our vada curry is ready. Top it with some coriander leaves. This will be a perfect combination for idli, dosas and chapatis. Hope you like it. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.